Hey guys, if you want to save your data on Philippines Airline, you need to sign up with Philippines Airlines. So what you're gonna do, open the Philippine Airlines app, hit profile at the bottom, right? And then what you're gonna do, hit sign in or join now to unlock. Okay? And then what you're gonna do, it's gonna take you to the Google, maybe not Google's, but you're gonna be able to sign up on a new page. Add your email right here. They may ask you for verification, so prepare your Gmail. Right? They're gonna send you a confirmation. Sorry, I'm just juggling to prepare the. Yeah. Now I'm gonna add the code. Inside, I'm gonna enter my new password. Make sure it's at least 14 characters. And has like A and Z lowercase letters, uppercase letters, in special character. Right? So let me add a password. Right? Done. And we're gonna hit continue. Save the password for future transactions. Now they're gonna send another email. So I'm gonna open up this new email, right, where I can enter the code. So I'm gonna copy the code and then paste it here. Confirm that you made the connection, right? And now one last step, connect your Mabuhay Miles. You can connect your Mabuhay number, so for like to count rewards, etc. So you can just go ahead and say, no, I'm new, right? Enter your name and everything and agree to the terms and conditions, and then continue. And of course fill in the details like your first name, last name, middle name, suffix, phone number, country of residence, and agree to the terms and conditions again. And basically now you created your Philippine Airlines account. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.